Alright, so this is a video on the Dewalt. What is this? DCR010. This is the Bluetooth speaker. You can get it on Amazon for like 93 bucks, or there's another place over on Amazon you can get it for $87.89. I got this one price matched at Lowe's because I didn't want to wait. Father's Day is just around the corner, so I decided to buy myself something nice. This the nice thing about this is it's a 12 volt, 20 volt, and it also comes with a plug so you can plug it, and it's cordless, really cool, just like their vacuum. So out of the box, you get your outlet, and then you get the speaker, instructions, on the back. It's where you could plug in the outlet or your battery. I have my batteries here, 20 volt, 12 volt. I'll probably use a bigger 20 volt battery, but that one should be good by now. Turn it on, and then I'll try to connect my phone to it. Let's see what we got going on over here. Your new device. It comes up as the DCR010. We're gonna pair to that. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I had a Bluetooth speaker, but it's not a Dewalt, and my buddy says you need a Dewalt Bluetooth speaker, and I was like, you know what? I don't really need it, but now I got one. It's got a little phone stand over here so you could stand your phone. And then a little case over here too where you could lay your phone down while you're working. Let's see how this thing sounds. Sounds great for trance. Sounds pretty good for Journey 2. I don't want to play songs too long because I don't want to get copyrighted on anything, but usually I'm listening to some type of electronic music, so it works. On to the video on the side over here. There's you could plug in your aux cable or what's it called, a USB. What I really wanted to see was if I plugged in a USB, would it be able to charge my phone while I was listening to it? And let's see it right now. It charges your phone too while you have it over here. So I will be putting on a bigger amp hour battery. So that's perfect. I think it's perfect. $93. It's really cool if you're a Dewalt person. If you're a Milwaukee person, you're probably gonna say it's shit, but I'm happy with it. Dewalt 12 volt, 20 volt, and comes with a plug. The USB actually charges your phone. I don't know how this thing could be any better. Thanks for watching.